Hey, welcome back to my channel. Here we'll be showing you how to mutate an array which is declared with a const. As you know, in const, usually we declare const when we have no intention to mutate or change. Usually for that variable is assigned. But here we'll show you if it is assigned to an array, how it can be mutated. So let's go and proceed with this question and a challenge. So here you have an array which is declared as const s is 572, yeah, and then you are supposed to kind of mutate this value without actually changing the name and without even assigning it to a variable, letting it remain as a const. So that means you cannot use operator assignment. You're just supposed to use element assignments. And how do you do that? Now this is by using the property of index. As we know, in an array, the first index can be declared how? S in within the square brackets means the first index, that is the element first. In this case, if I use as 2, the second one if I use at 5, so it is index 1, and the last one if I use 0, 1, 2, right, the third one, if I assign it a value of 7. So I'm assigning 3 values for the index 0, 1, 2, that is first, second, third elements. If I reassign the values, yeah, then what happens? Then if I do console log for s, then I'll get the array as with the new values in this order, that is 257 instead of 572. So this is the way I can mutate this array using the index property 257. So as you can see, there's no other way I can change it. So I've already completed this challenge. That's it.